Good morning. My name is Lokesh. I'm from CSEB. Today my topic is tautological implication. So before getting into the topic, let us discuss about the connectivities and the rules for constructing truth tables. So basically there are 6 logical connectivities. The first one is a negation, the second one is a conjunction, the third one is a disjunction, the fourth one is conditional or implication, the fourth one is biconditional or by implication, and the last one is exclusive or. Now coming to the negation, negation is also known as not, which means opposite of the given proposition. If it is true, the given one is true, the result will be false. If the given one is false, the result will be true. Now coming to the second one, conjunction. Conjunction is also known as and. In the and, whenever true follows true, the result will be true. In all other cases, the result will be false. And then coming to the disjunction, which is also known as or. Whenever false follows false, the result will be false. In all other cases, the result will be true, which means if true follows false or false follows true or true follows true, the result will be true. The result is false only when false follows false in disjunction, which means or. Now coming to conditional or implication, which means implies, right arrow mark. Whenever true follows false, the result will be false. In all other cases, the result will be true. Now similarly, by conditional or by implication, the result will be true whenever both the values are same. The result will be false in all other cases, which means if true and true follows true, the result will be true. False follows false, the result will be true. In all other cases, when true follows false or false follows true, the result will be false. Now coming to the last one, exclusive or, also known as either or, read as either or. Here the result will be false whenever both the truth values are same. In all other cases, it will be true, which means if both the values are true and true, the result will be false. Both the values are false, the result will be false. In all other cases, when one value is true and other value is false, then the result will be true. This is all about connectivities and the rules for constructing the truth tables. These are also represented in the symbolical form using the arrow marks and other symbols. Now, let us first know what is tautology. Tautology is a compound statement which is true for all the possible truth values of its compound. A tautology is generally denoted by T naught, which is denoted by T and 0 at the bottom, which means T naught. Tautologies are a key concept in propositional logic, where a tautology is defined as a propositional formula that is true under any possible Boolean valuation of a propositional variable. A key property of tautology is propositional logic is an effective method which is used for testing a given formula is always satisfied, whether the negotiation is unsatisfied or satisfied. The definition of tautology can be extended to sentences in predicate logic, which may contain quantifiers, a feature absent from the sentence of a propositional logic. In the context of predicate logic, many authors define the replacing each propositional variable by first order formula. The set of such formulas is a proper subset of the set of logically valid sentences of the predicate logic. This is the definition of the tautology. The main definition of basic thing which we have to remember is a compound statement which is true for all possible truth values of its components is called tautology. The opposite of tautology is contradiction. Now first let us discuss about the truth table of the tautology. Here under the table section P, there is a value true and a value false. The negation P, true becomes false and false becomes true. In both the cases, negation of P, the value will be true and false, we will get true. Here false and true, we get the value true, which means the value is true under all its components. So it satisfies tautology. Now coming to contradiction. Contradiction is a compound statement which is false for all possible truth values of its components. This is called contradiction. Tautology means every value should be true. For contradiction means every value should be false. Now coming to the truth table, here all the final answers components is false. So it's called as contradiction. Now let us discuss about contingency. Contingency, a compound statement that can be true or false depending on the truth values of its components, is called a contingency. In other words, a contingency is a compound proposition which is neither a tautology nor a contradiction, which means some of the values of the final table will be truth and other will be false. Then it is called as contingency. If all the values are truth, it is called tautology. If all the values are false, it's called contradiction. If some of the values are truth and some of the values are false, depending on the truth values of its components, then it is known as contingency. Here we can see the truth table where P and Q have certain truth and false values. And the final answer is truth, false, 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 which means only one value is truth and all are false, which means it's neither tautology nor contradiction. So it is called as a contingency. Now let us discuss about the tautology truth tables. Logical symbols are used to connect simple statements to define a compound statements, and this process is called logical operations, which means the logical symbols are used to connect simple statements. There are 5 major logical operations performed on the basis of respective symbols, as we have discussed earlier, such as and, or, not, conditional, and biconditional. Let us learn one by one. The first one is AND operation. AND operation is represented by the symbol A. Not exactly symbol A, reverse V. When two simple statements are used to form a compound statement using AND symbol, it is called conjunction of the two statements, which means conjunction is known as AND. Let X and Y are two statements. Let's say X and Y are two statements with two different values, and AND operation comes into. We'll use AND operation when the symbol conjunction is used. Now coming to OR operation. OR operation is represented by the symbol V. When two simple statements are used to form a compound statement using OR symbol, then it is called disjunction of these two statements, which means disjunction is known as OR and conjunction is known as AND. Now coming to NOT operation. When the truth value of a statement is changed during the word not, it is called the negation of the statement, which means if the given value is true, it changes into false. And if the given value is false, it changes into true. It is represented by the symbol curve, small curve. And coming to conditional operator. When a compound statement is formed by two simple statements connected with the phrase if and then it is called conditional operator. Conditional operator symbol is represented by an arrow mark pointing towards the right side of the statement. And now coming to the biconditional operation, when a compound statement is formed with two simple statements connected with a phrase if and only if, then it is called biconditional. Conditional means if and then. Biconditional means if and only if. The symbol for biconditional operation is a straight line with arrow mark pointing towards the left of the statement as well as the right side of the statement. It's equal, which is called the equivalent symbol. This is all about the tautological truth tables and or not conditional operators and biconditional operators and their respective symbols. Now, let us discuss a small example. Let X and Y are two given statements as per the definition of tautology. The compound statements should be true for every value. Here the value of X are given as true, true, false, false, and the value of Y as true, false, true, false. Here X is conditional towards Y, which means the value of true and true will be true, true and false will be false, false and true will be true, false and false will be true. Similarly, Y to X, the value will be true, true, false, and true. Now tautology for the given condition will be every value will be true for the given statement where X implies Y or Y implies X. Contradiction. Negation of the whole value will get the contradiction, which means in order to obtain tautology, this condition should be satisfied. In order to obtain contradiction, this above statement conditions should be satisfied. Now, let us discuss some examples of tautology or example problems of tautology. First question: is negation H equal to H is a tautology? Since the true value of negation H is true or implies to H is true, false, it is not a tautology, which means the value of H is true and the value of H is true and false, two possible outcomes. The negation of H will be true becomes false and false becomes true. Where negation H implies to H, the final output will be true to false become true and false to true will become false. So it is not a tautology because all the final output answer should be true. This is a contingency. So this is not a tautology. Now coming to the second question. Show that P implies P implies to the whole of P or Q, which means the truth values of let us look at the table first. The value of P are true, true, false, false, and the value of Q is true, false, true, false. Now P or Q, which means true and true becomes true, true, false becomes true, false, true becomes true, and only false and false will become false, which means P or Q, which means any one value should be true. In the last question, there is no value true, both of the values are false. So we get true, 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 and last value is false. Similarly, following this condition, P implies to P or Q. P or Q values are truth, 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 and false. P implies to P and Q. The final answer will be truth, 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 truth. Becomes all the values are truth. So the final answer will be yes, it's a tautology. The truth values of the given statements is true for all the value of individual statements. Hence, this is a tautology. Now let us look at the third example of tautology. Find if given negation A and B is implies true, negation whole of A or B. Given A and B are true statements, therefore we can write the truth table for the given statements as A, the value of A will be true, truth, false, false. Negation A will be opposite of the A values, which means false, false, true, true. And the B value says true, false, true, false. Now negation A and B, we will get the answer as false, false, true, false. And means both the values should be true, which is only possible in the case of in the third case here. So only the value will be true and overall will be false. Similarly, A or B, which means any one value should be true in the A and B. So we get all true except the last one because both of them are false. Now coming to the next one, whole negation of A or B, which means opposite of the previous table. And the final answer, implication of both of them, which means both of the values should be, first one should be true and second one should be false. So we get the answer as true, truth, false, true. The third condition is not satisfied, so we get false. Here in the final answer, we got 3 of the values as true and 1 value as false, which means it is neither contradiction nor tautology, which means it is a tautology. Sorry, it's a contingency. Now let us, before closing the topic, let us discuss what is the major difference between tautology and contradiction. We have already discussed about the term tautology, which is true for every value of the 2 or more given statements. The contradiction is just the opposite of tautology, or you can even contradict the tautology statements. When a compound statement formed by 2 simple statements by performing some logical operations on it, like or, and, conditional, biconditional, gives a false value, is called contradiction. Now, if x implies y or y implies x, then the tautology will be negation of the whole value, which means the negotiation of the given, if a given statement is true, the negotiation of that will be false, which means it's contradiction. So negotiation converts the statement from tautology to contradiction. The main thing to be remembered is tautology means all the final answers in the components of the table will be truth, and contradiction means all the values will be false. This is all about tautology. Thank you.